and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so today I'm going to make Kaylee's daughter's curtains for her room. This is an old play veil, wedding veil. I think it's for play, but I like this, the lacy underneath, so I'm going to use this for lace curtains. I'm going to try and take it neatly off. I'm going to try and save this for, no, you never know, maybe something someday. Can use this maybe somewhere, and then I'm going to use this for her curtains. There is a seam already here. Okay, this is now the wrong side, but it's very wide, so I don't know, but you can't really see it, so I think I'm going to use this for the seam summer, and then just cut it on the top side. Okay, and then I'm going to use this that was around the wedding invitation, the card, but I'm going to use this because I like that, and then the silver with the purple is actually just perfect. So I'm going to use this, just make it shorter. I'm going to use this for curtain binders here. And then luckily I found this piece of, only this little piece of ribbon I've got. It's not in a very good shape, but you won't even see that. That is the same color as the purple ribbon. I don't know why it looks like blue, but it's purple. So it will fit. I'm going to use this for the pelmet with this is actually nice little, so I also like a ribbon. If I can maybe just open it somewhere so you can see better. There you go. Oh, okay, so it's double. So I'm going to try and cut it. I think I will be able, to just cut it a little piece. I just want one piece, and then I'm going to put that on a pelmet. And then I'm going to use this for the pelmet. I like the width, so this will go around that, and just see if this is going to fit. Oh, it actually look nice because just the little chain will be on the sides. So yeah, I'm going to use this, and this is just to give it extra strength for when I paste it. So yeah, and the wire here is for the lace curtain, and even this curtain. And as usual, I'm just going to use my lighter and a flame to burn the sides. I'm not going to use my sewing machine here. So yeah, that's everything. So yeah, let's get started. So all I need to do now is to hang the curtains, but I almost forgot to put a cornice down of the board down. So I quickly just want to do that. I already did the other side off camera, so now it's just this side here. Okay, I'm obviously going to use this whole one.
So now we can put on the curtains. So first is obviously the lice. Already my toes in the cardboard. Here let this be. And the curtains. Well, before that I want to put on the binders. Really, for this one I cut them on short enough. I'm just using normal pens. right in the middle. My heart. Sit first. Okay, curtains. Where's the other one? Beautiful. Wonderful. Yes. Because I had to cut shorter because it was a bit too long. And it was too far away from the wall. So I cut it shorter.
And there is the daughter's curtains hanged. I think it looks gorgeous. And it will fit by a whole room. So yeah, in the next one, oh sorry, I did fall over. In the next one, I'm going to make a stool for a vanity, and I'm going to make a chair for the study table, and I'm going to try and incorporate the carpet, which I decided on yet. Didn't decide on the carpet yet, but so I'm going to look for which I'm going to use for the carpet. So in the next video, it's the stool for the vanity and the chair for the study table. So if you want to see that, how I make that, push that subscribe button and a notification bell, and then you will see more videos of this. I hope you enjoy this video with me. I think the curtains came out beautiful and gorgeous, perfect for a teenage daughter, I think. So see you in the next one. Bye.